Hi my friends! So this video is recorded in Africa and I'm coming to you because 6 months ago my life changed. 6 months ago, back in November 2023, I decided to start digital marketing after seeing one strange woman on TikTok talking about digital marketing saying all you need is 2 hours a day and you make 100% commission and you can work from anywhere you want. She used to work all day long, every single day, doing all kinds of jobs and never have enough money. So I decided to purchase one of the programs she'd been talking about, and since then my life changed. Just 2 months into digital marketing, after following this program, I was able to pay my car off completely. Normally it would take me 2 more years, and just in 2 months I was able to pay $8,000 off from digital marketing. So this program is absolutely unbelievable. Anyone can do it, no matter who you are, no matter where you live. You can do this job. All you need is 2 hours a day to market your business. One social media platform, which you already probably have, but it's not monetized, it's not making you any money. This program teaches you how to monetize your scroll so you can start making money. Your social media platform is gonna become your job and start making you money. And then you need 30 minutes a day to copy and paste ads, free ads. You're gonna get inside of this program. So there's 4 different options to join this program and start learning. You can join in for $100, $300, $600 and $900. When I first started, I started with a $300 program because I was skeptical and scared. So I purchased the $300 program, and with that program, you're gonna get your own website. Normally, website like this would cost you $2,000. You're gonna get it just for one time $29 fee, one time purchase of the program training, and one time $29 fee for your website. And then the minute you purchase, you can set up your business on automation, which takes only less than 24 hours. The program will show you step by step how to set it up on automation. You have short videos, action, short video, action. It's so easy. Literally 12-year-old can do this. And once you have your business set on automation, this business is working for you anywhere in the world. It's international business. So you can do the things you love with your family. You guys, only in my wildest dreams, I would think I will visit Africa. Africa was always one of my biggest dreams to go, and now I am here with my son for the entire week, and we actually are in Europe for 5 weeks, traveling Europe because of digital marketing. Just yesterday, I woke up to $1,400 from digital marketing, and the Wi-Fi is bad in here. I'm not even touching this business. I'm not even working this business. But because I already have it established, it's working for me. It's automated. Automations is building the relationships for me and closing up sales for me. You can have the same business. All you need to do is just make up your mind, because you can do this. Borrow my belief. I'm telling you, if I can do this, you can do this. Choose one of the programs. It's going to give you immediate access to the training and to our community with 22,000 people. It's growing every single day. When I first started, we have 5,000 people inside of the community. Now we have 22,000 people. By the time you watch this video, we will probably even at 23,000 or 24,000, even more. It's growing because it's proven process, and you can do the same thing. Once you set your business on automation, again, takes less than 24 hours. Then you need to spend 2 hours a day to market this business. So you're gonna need one social media platform. This business, the training, show you and teach you every single social media platform. So you're gonna start a new social media platform from scratch. You don't need any followings. This is not MLM. You don't need any cold messaging. You don't need friends and family. Just one-time purchase, and you can have fully automated business set up in 24 hours, working for you for the rest of your life. And then the social media platform and 30 minutes a day to copy and paste free ads. You're gonna get the website, where to copy and paste the ad. You're gonna get the ad, you're gonna get the templates. So you don't have to create anything from scratch because everything is given to you. This business is all done for you. So if you would like to learn more, I would love to welcome you inside our community. Again, once you choose one of our 4 packages, you're gonna have immediate access so you can start setting up your business, and you're gonna have immediate access to our community. And the ones who purchase through this link below, you're gonna get personal phone number, direct contact to me, so I can help you, I can guide you, and I would love this life for you. Would you like to be a yes mom? Would you like to travel the world? You guys, 5 weeks in Europe, 3 different destinations. Right now, I am in Africa. It's absolutely amazing. Today, we rode camels. That was always my biggest dream. Yesterday, we took ATVs with my son to blue lagoons in Africa. You can have the same life. You can become the yes mom. Your life can change. You don't have to worry about bills anymore. That phone you're holding in your hand right now can start making you money. We have 7 days to profit inside of the training. So whatever you invest one time, no more fees, no more upsells after that, your investment can be back, returned just in less than 7 days, and whatever you make after that is 100% yours. So you're gonna be reselling the same course, but we're gonna show you how to do this. So imagine waking up to $900 a day. This program teaches you and show you how to make $900 a day. So if you would like to learn more and hear other stories and check out our results and wins of other members who just started, people just like my battery died, but anyway, people just like you and I, then check out the link in the bio, workingwithandrea.com, and you can learn more information about this business and choose from 4 of our packages. And if you're ready, just get started.